For the last 5 years, my team and I have been doing research on a long-lost device referred to as the orgone accumulator, more commonly referred to as the organometer. During our research, we've been told by people that it can dramatically reduce chronic and period pain, and have developed a hypothesis as to how this could work. The first thing to understand is how pain functions in the human body. When someone experiences pain, the body issues an electrical signal which is read by the brain, which returns an electrical signal back to the affected area, informing it what type of pain and how intense. This is backed up by research, shown here. The pain relief response is also electromagnetic. From this basis, we formed a theory around the organometer. The organometer is constructed of alternating layers of ferromagnetic and non-ferromagnetic materials. When placed back to back, it is able to concentrate an electromagnetic energy that closely resembles the pain relief signal from the brain. On top of this, we've performed an experiment. We have frozen water while the organometer was pointed at it. Take a good look at the results for yourself. Our theory is that when pointed at the body, it causes endorphins to be released, which have a wide range of effects. We've been told that when pointed at an area with pain, it dramatically reduces. I can say from personal experience that when pointed at the stomach, it makes you feel stoned or drunk. Do not use when operating machinery. There are ways for it to go wrong, as it should not be used if you are pointing it at a copper IUD, as copper's electric properties would throw it out of balance and can increase pain. Do not use it in an area such as an inner city with above average pollution, or near a nuclear power plant. Do not use it in Hiroshima, Nagasaki, Chernobyl, or Fukushima. The completed device is very small, portable, and inexpensive. If you're worried we're about to try and sell you something, we aren't. If you feel someone you know may benefit from using the organometer, we have a guide on making your own, and would love to hear if it has helped you. Thanks for watching. Hello, my acolytes. If you wish to hear more about the organometer, check out my interview with Richard Vobes on the subject. And if you want to ask me personally, I can easily be found on the Above Below show, a great organisation that has been hosting interviews with me for over a year. Also, I'm considering narrating The Book of Dreams by Peter Reich, which tells the story of how he spent his childhood in the 1940s and 50s, operating the Cloudbuster with his father. If this appeals to you, please let me know. And if you'd be so good as to watch our Krabiozen movie, it might help me get some desperately needed watch hours. With all of this said, thank you for being with me. Please consider sharing and subscribing. Thanks for watching.